Today I'm going to log in to our dealer research center, set up a couple of aircraft alerts. I'm looking for a couple of aircraft, and I'm going to go up here in the right corner and view my aircraft alerts where there are none, and I'm going to click Create Alert and select an aircraft that I'd like to find, which is a Cessna 182 Skyline. And I happen to be looking for the years 1974 to 1980. Then click Track this aircraft. And there it is. I'll receive a daily email with the new 182 listings. Also looking possibly for a Beechcraft F-33 Bonanza. I'm going to click Beech 33. And I'm looking for the years 1969 to 1979. 10-year range. Click Track this aircraft. And I've got that set up. You click right there to view your alerts. And there they are, my Beech 33, 1969 to 1979, and the 182, 1974 through 1980.